Sweetbot application sent a $5 PayPal cash. This application 100% trusted. Let's go start. Hello everyone, welcome to back again. Google Play Store open and search now Sweetbot application 4.3 rating 10k download. Application install already. Okay, open application, just waiting now. First time create your account. Okay, your full name, your email address, password, and your referral code. My referral code use video description. Okay, already open my account and my total balance. Support Telegram group. Telegram group join now must be, and this problem support team help. Okay, Gcash, PayPal, Coinbase, Bkash, payment proof share. Okay, how to work? Daily check-in. Please connect VPN. Connect now. Open Google Play Store and connect Turbo VPN. Super VPN is problem. Okay, use Turbo VPN and United States connect now. VPN. This application legit 100%. VPN connect successful. Daily check-in. Already check-in. Daily lucky spin. I am just click your level target. Okay, 7 points earning. Collect bonus. Ad showing. Then again 12 coins free. Okay, climb bonus. Collect bonus. Your level complete and collect bonus. Just click now. Ads showing. This ads click now and just waiting 30 seconds. Okay, I am waiting 30 seconds and count your account. Okay, I am back home screen. 590 seconds. Then again premium is catch. Same process. Your level target 15. Okay, 24 coins point free, and then again this application work very easy. My level target complete, and then back ads showing, ads click now, just waiting 30 seconds. Okay, same process flowing now, and video watch, same process, video watching now. One video watch, just 10 seconds waiting now. Next video watching. Video ads watching. No video ads. Math quiz. Math quiz very interesting, amazing. Okay, level complete and collect bonus ads click, just waiting now 30 seconds. Website visit. I'm just click website visit. Website visit 24 second, just waiting, and then back home screen. Okay, redeem click now. Coinbase, PayPal, BTT top up, Bkash, Gcash, PHP Philippine load. Okay, I am withdraw Gcash. Send your number Gcash and redeem history. My all payment proof, and then paid all member payment proof.